Good morning and happy Monday, Wolves. I'm Hazel.
And I'm Isaac. Today's date is February 8th, 2021.
Today is National Opera Day.
Let's celebrate this unique holiday by enjoying some beautiful opera music.
Joke of the day. How did Benjamin Franklin feel when he discovered electricity?
Shocked! What's the difference between a guitar and a fish? You can tune a guitar, but you can't tune a fish.
Hello, Wolves. I'm meteorologist Emmett, and the cold weather continues this week with some possibilities of snow. Make sure you bundle up every day before school because our early morning temperatures will be in single digits. Have a great week, Wolves. Woo!
Thank you for tuning in to the Howling News broadcast. I'm Hazel.
And I'm Isaac. Have a marvelous Monday, Wolves.
Arr!